Hello, my burnt but brilliant. Today I bring you an incredible dish, tofu with green beans in a delicate curry sauce. It can be your lunch, dinner, or a hearty snack, and it's perfect if you want to lose weight, control your blood sugar, or take care of your gut. This dish is anti-inflammatory, rich in plant protein and very low in carbohydrates. It's even suitable for the keto diet. And remember, there's no flour, no sugar, no eggs, no lactose, no gluten, and it's completely vegan. You'll love this recipe. Stay tuned until the end. You definitely don't want to miss this. If you like light, quick, and healthy recipes, you'll love this channel. Subscribe and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. I post recipes every Wednesday and Saturday. Right now, give it a like if you enjoy simple and healthy dishes like this. All the ingredients, quantities, and complete nutritional information for this dish are always in the description below, so you can easily make it at home without having to write anything down. We only need 3 ingredients: green beans, tofu, and lactose-free or coconut cream, plus curry powder and a little salt. My first ingredient is tofu, and I use firm tofu. It holds its shape well when stewed and absorbs all the flavor of the sauce. If you can't find firm tofu, you can use medium firm tofu. Just be careful when stirring. Now, about the benefits. Tofu contains 17 grams of complete vegetable protein per 100 grams. Complete means it has all 9 essential amino acids, just like meat, but without the cholesterol. That's amazing. And if you're watching your carbohydrate intake or on a keto diet, tofu is ideal. It contains only about 0.5 grams of net carbohydrates. Its glycemic index is 15, one of the lowest among all foods. So we cut the tofu into medium-sized cubes, about 1 centimeter. By the way, tell me in the comments, have you tried tofu before or will this be your first time? My second ingredient is frozen green beans. I always keep them in the freezer, and here's why. Frozen beans retain almost all their nutrients because they are frozen immediately after harvesting. They may even be healthier than fresh beans from the supermarket, which have been sitting there for several days. If you have fresh beans, great, use them. The result will be the same. Now listen to why green beans are a real superstar. Their glycemic index is between 15 and 20. This is one of the lowest among all vegetables. This is great for those who monitor their blood sugar. In addition, beans are rich in quercetin and camphorol, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the body and protect the heart. They also contain vitamin K, 40% of the daily requirement per 100 grams, which is very important for bone health. This is especially important for us as we age. Add the frozen beans to a pot of water and place on the stove to cook. Tell me in the comments, do you usually buy frozen vegetables or do you prefer only fresh ones? So, our beans are ready. They are a beautiful green color, soft but not overcooked. It is important not to overcook them. Vitamin C in beans is destroyed by prolonged heat treatment. Therefore, cook them just as long as necessary, no more. Now add the curry directly to the beans. Curry is a mixture of spices based on turmeric, and turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatory substances in the world. It's literally a natural medicine in your kitchen. If you don't like curry, you can replace it with just turmeric and paprika. The result will also be incredible. Then add lactose-free cream. If you are not lactose intolerant, you can use regular cream. And if you want a completely plant-based version, coconut cream is perfect and will add a slightly sweet taste. Let us know in the comments, will you use coconut cream or regular cream? Add a pinch of salt, just a little bit. If you are on a low-salt diet, you can skip it altogether. The dish will still be flavorful and delicious. Add a little water, add the tofu cubes, and simmer over low heat. Look, a few minutes have passed, and here's the result. The tofu has absorbed all the flavor of the curry. The beans have become tender, and the sauce is golden yellow and creamy. It's normal for the sauce to thicken a little. That's how it should be. That's exactly what we want. Look how it turned out. Make it at home. You'll love it. Golden sauce, tender tofu, juicy beans. It's just incredible. The combination of curry, cream, and tofu is something special. It's hard to believe that there's no flour, no sugar, and no lactose in here. Make it at home. You'll love it. Next time, we'll make some crazy delicious diet turkey rolls that are super healthy but taste like they were made by a Michelin-starred chef. Subscribe so you don't miss out.